Hey everybody, Boone White with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. Today in this video I'm going to be demonstrating one of my favorite polishing products, which is Howard's Restor-A-Finish. As you see, we have a very tired old antique end table, and I'm going to be using the Howard Restor-A-Finish Golden Oak finish, and they make these in a variety of finishes that you can find, and I'll leave a link in the description of our video where you can find those. But yeah, this is one of my favorite products, and it works hand in hand with Howard's Feed and Wax as well. But as you can see, I already did one of the spindles, but all these other ones you can see are just completely dull and tired and are lacking any luster. So what we're doing is we're just applying it using a green finishing pad, and that just sort of helps get in there nice and easy. And this is after one coat of the Restor-A-Finish, which is usually all it takes. I haven't quite hit the top part of that spindle, that's why it was still dull. But as you see, this product works wonders on dry, dusty, old finishes like this. Really brings life back into the wood. And like I said, we usually follow up with some of the Feed and Wax, but even as a standalone product, works really, really well. I might add that it works really well on pieces of furniture, cabinetry. I used it on my parents' piano and cabinetry once when their pet claws got all over the furniture. Does wonders at getting rid of minor scratches like that. But that concludes our video for today. Just wanted to demonstrate how awesome this product is. If you don't mind helping us out, smash that like button, and if you want future video updates, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll hopefully get one of those every week. We'll see y'all next time. Thanks.